Assalamu alaikum class 6. I hope you all are fine. As you know, we have started a new chapter number 4, the White Mouse Circus. As we have covered its half story in the previous lecture, now we will be completing the chapter, the White Mouse Circus, in today's lecture. So let's start our lecture with the name of Almighty Allah. So stay focused and try to be connected. This story is written by Roald Dahl, and the White Mouse Circus is taken from the story of the witches, which is also written by Roald Dahl. So the story is about the White Mouse Circus is going to be started as we have started earlier in the previous lecture, but I would like to give its review again, so you will be connected through the whole story. As I have already given you the information about the author in the previous lecture. As we have discussed, this is a story about a boy who is himself a narrator. मीन्स इस चैप्टर में जो स्टोरी सुना रहा है वही एक खुद नरेटर है. मीन्स जिस बच्चे की ये स्टोरी है वही अपनी स्टोरी सुना रहा है. मीन्स ही इज़ हिमसेल्फ अ नरेटर. As I have told you, he lives with his grandmother, who has been prescribed by a doctor to take rest. That's why they decided to go in the hotel in England. Otherwise, they were having a holiday in Norway. But they decided to go in the hotel in England because doctor has advised grandmother to take rest. But where they are going to take rest, the place is so old and boring. क्योंकि वो जगह बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोरिंग होती है, क्योंकि वो ओल्ड पीपल के लिए वो प्लेस होती है. So that's why grandmother of a boy gives him a gift of two white mouse. Grandmother उस बच्चे को अपना टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए गिफ्ट देती हैं 2 वाइट माउसेस का, ताकि वो उस जगह जाके बोर ना हो. There is a gift of 2 white mouses in the hand of a boy, and now they have reached at the hotel where the grandmother has to take rest. Their room is booked in a place called Hotel Magnificent. As I have told you, the grandmother and her grandson have entered into a hotel, and the hotel name is Magnificent, and the name of the 2 mice are William and Mary. This is a gift of a boy whom has been given by his grandmother, and the names of 2 mice are William and Mary. Grandmother present young boy a pair of white mice. As I have told you, grandmother gives her grandson a gift of pair of white mice. and Mr. Stranger was the manager of the hotel who looked after the hotel. The trick which was taught by a young boy was a tightrope. Okay, we will discuss about this line further. They enter into the hotel, they take rooms to stay in the hotel, and they started to live there. Because the boy is getting bored, that's why he takes out his gift of the pair of white mice which had been given him by his grandmother. वो उन दो माइसेस को अपने एज अ गिफ्ट निकालता है और उसको प्लेइंग करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. वो जो ग्रैंडसन है वो उन टू माइसेस से खेलना स्टार्ट कर देता है बिकॉज ही इज़ गेटिंग बोर्ड. But suddenly what happens, while he is playing, someone enter into the room and the boy hides and cover his white mice under the bed sheet of the bed. जब वो ग्रैंडसन उन वाइट माइसेस से प्ले कर रहा होता है तो एक मेड रूम को क्लीन करने के लिए वहाँ एंटर होती है. तो हेजिटेशन में वो ग्रैंडसन अपने वाइट माइसेस को बेडशीट के अंदर कवर कर देता है, उसको हाइड कर देता है ताकि उन वाइट माइसेस को कोई देख ना सके. बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू ब्रिंग any type of animal into the hotel. That's why he hides his pair of mice under the bed sheet of bed. And he goes out of his room. As you can see in the picture, while Matt is cleaning the room, he uncovered the bed sheet of bed, and what she look over the bed, she sees a pair of mice on the bed. जब वो रूम को क्लीन कर रही होती है, बेड रूम क्लीन कर रही होती है, तो वहाँ पर उसको एक पेयर मिलता है वाइट माइस का मीन चूहों का. एंड शी स्टार्ट टू शाउट, is aware by this news that someone has brought a pair of mice into the hotel. Been reached into the management office. The grandmother outwitted the hotel manager by suggesting that there were rats in the hotel and it might be closed down if this fact was reported to the public health authorities. Okay, now let's see what will be happen. अब उन दो चूहों का जब होटल की मैनेजमेंट को पता चलता है, so they called the grandmother and her grandson into his office, and he starts investigation about a pair of mice. They asked the grandmother and her grandson why had they brought a pair of white mice इन द होटल, मीन्स वो जो हैं क्यों इस वाइट पेयर के माइस को होटल में लाए हैं। हालांकि ये अलाउ नहीं है कि आप किसी भी एनिमल को होटल में अपने साथ स्टे करने के लिए ला सकें। बट वी सी द ग्रैंड मदर ऑल्सो थ्रेटन्स द होटल मैनेजमेंट that if they will not allow her grandson to keep his mice in the hotel, so she will also complain to the public health authorities about the rats in the hotel kitchen. Means अब जो ग्रैंड मदर है वो कहती हैं कि अगर आप हमें हमारे माइस मीन्स चूहों को रखने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करेंगे होटल में, तो मैं भी आपकी पब्लिक हेल्थ अथॉरिटी से ये कंप्लेन कर दूंगी कि इस होटल के किचन में रैट्स पाए जाते हैं, यानी चूहे पाए जाते हैं। तो जो पब्लिक हेल्थ अथॉरिटीज़ है वो इस होटल को बंद करवा देगी, क्योंकि जो होटल होता है वो भी अनक्लीन्ड होता है और वहाँ के भी किचन में रैट्स होते हैं और वो अनहेल्दी और अनक्लीन्ड होता है। दैट्स वाई ग्रैंड मदर ऑल्सो थ्रेटन द होटल मैनेजमेंट that she can also complain to the public health authorities and their hotel can also be closed if her grandmother will not be allowed to stay his mice into the hotel. The boy and his grandmother for suggesting that the hotel was full of rats. अब जो होटल मैनेजमेंट होते हैं वह एंग्री होते हैं कि ये लेडी हमें ये कह रही है कि हमारा होटल, हमारा किचन रैट से फिल्ड है, मीन्स चूहों से भरा हुआ है। Agrees with grandmother and they allow the boy to keep his mice into the hotel. होटल मैनेजमेंट उनको अपने फैमिली को, ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंडसन को अपने साथ माइसिस, पेयर ऑफ माइसिस को रखने के लिए अलाउ कर देती हैं। जब उस बॉय को ये परमिशन मिल जाती है कि वो अपने साथ अपना गिफ्ट रख सकता है, so he thinks that management allows the boy that he can keep a pair of white mice with himself, but he has to keep it secret, means he has to when the children gets permission from the hotel management that he can keep his gift as a secret, so he is so happy. And what will be happen in the story next, we will be discussed in the next lecture. Hopefully you are enjoying this story. This story is about a boy who tries to train a mice. मीन्स ये एक ऐसे बच्चे की स्टोरी है जो दो चूहों को ट्रेन करने की कोशिश करता है ताकि वो उनको सर्कस में ले जाकर उनको ताकि वो लोगों की इंजॉयमेंट के लिए सोर्स बन सकें। That's why he tries to train a pair of mice for the circus. But what will happen after the permission that has been given to a boy to keep his mice as a secret. So we will discuss further in the next lecture. So till that, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much indeed. Take care. God bless you, my dear students.